Lesson: Data Privacy and Security in AI-Driven Supply Chains. Data privacy and security in AI-driven supply chains have become paramount concerns in today's interconnected and technologically advanced world. As supply chains increasingly rely on artificial intelligence to optimize operations, enhance efficiency, and predict trends, the risk of data breaches and privacy violations has risen significantly. The integration of AI in supply chains involves the collection, analysis, and distribution of vast amounts of data, often including sensitive information related to customers, suppliers, and internal operations. Therefore, understanding how to safeguard this data is crucial not only for compliance with legal standards, but also for maintaining trust and competitive advantage. One actionable insight for ensuring data privacy and security in AI-driven supply chains is to adopt comprehensive data governance frameworks. A robust data governance strategy involves defining clear policies for data access, usage, and sharing. This includes establishing data ownership, ensuring data quality, and implementing data lifecycle management. A practical tool that can be employed here is the Data Management Body of Knowledge, which provides guidelines on data governance best practices. By implementing DMBOK principles, organizations can create a structured approach to managing data, ensuring that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive information and that data is used appropriately throughout its lifecycle. Moreover, the use of encryption technologies is critical in protecting data in AI-driven supply chains. Encryption ensures that data remains confidential and is accessible only to those with the appropriate decryption keys. Advanced encryption standards are widely recognized for their effectiveness in securing data both in transit and at rest. For example, a supply chain company could utilize AES encryption to secure customer data as it is transmitted between different nodes in the supply chain, such as from a warehouse to a distribution center. This ensures that even if the data is intercepted, it remains unreadable to unauthorized parties, thereby protecting sensitive information. AI-driven supply chains also benefit from employing privacy-enhancing technologies, which are designed to minimize data exposure while still allowing for data-driven insights. Techniques such as differential privacy, which introduces noise into datasets to prevent the identification of individual data points, can be effectively used to protect privacy while maintaining data utility. For instance, a retailer using AI to analyze customer purchasing patterns can apply differential privacy to ensure that individual customers cannot be identified from the aggregated data, thereby maintaining customer trust and compliance with privacy regulations. The implementation of AI in supply chains necessitates a focus not only on data security, but also on ethical considerations. AI algorithms can perpetuate biases if not properly managed, leading to unfair treatment of certain groups or individuals. To address this, organizations should incorporate ethical AI frameworks that emphasize transparency, accountability, and fairness. The Fairness, Accountability, and Transparency in Machine Learning framework offers guidelines for developing and deploying AI systems responsibly. By adhering to FAT-ML principles, companies can ensure that their AI-driven supply chains operate in a manner that is ethical and respects individual rights. Practical examples from the industry highlight the importance of data privacy and security in AI-driven supply chains. A notable case is the 2014 data breach at Target, where hackers accessed the retailer's network through a third-party vendor, compromising the personal and credit card information of millions of customers. This incident underscores the necessity of rigorous third-party risk management. Companies can mitigate such risks by conducting thorough due diligence of vendors, ensuring they adhere to the same data security standards, and incorporating contractual obligations for data protection. In addition to technical measures, fostering a culture of security awareness within the organization is crucial. Regular training and awareness programs can educate employees about the importance of data privacy and the role they play in safeguarding it. These programs should cover topics such as recognizing phishing attempts, securely handling data, and understanding the implications of data breaches. By empowering employees with knowledge and practical skills, organizations can create a first line of defense against potential security threats. Another critical aspect of data privacy and security in AI-driven supply chains is compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe and the California Consumer Privacy Act in the United States set strict standards for data protection and privacy. Organizations must ensure compliance with these regulations to avoid hefty fines and reputational damage. This involves conducting regular audits, maintaining transparency with stakeholders about data practices, and providing mechanisms for individuals to exercise their data rights, such as data access and deletion requests. AI-driven supply chains should also consider implementing robust incident response plans to quickly and effectively address data breaches. An incident response plan outlines the steps to be taken in the event of a security incident, including identification, containment, eradication, recovery, and post-incident review. By having a well-defined plan in place, organizations can minimize the impact of data breaches, preserve stakeholder trust, and learn from incidents to prevent future occurrences. In conclusion, data privacy and security in AI-driven supply chains require a multifaceted approach that includes adopting data governance frameworks, utilizing encryption and privacy-enhancing technologies, adhering to ethical AI principles, managing third-party risks, fostering a culture of security awareness, complying with legal regulations, and implementing robust incident response plans. By integrating these actionable insights and practical tools, supply chain professionals can effectively address the challenges of data privacy and security, ensuring that their AI-driven operations are not only efficient, but also secure and ethical.